So I bought this flag when I was on vacation in Rome, Italy. And here we have it, the Italian flag. It's a tricolor with vertical stripes, green, white and red. Of course symbolizing oregano, mozzarella and tomato. No, just kidding. The green on the flag represents the landscape of it. The white represents the Alps, white peaks. And the red represent, of course, the blood shed by the people who fought for independence and unifications of Italy. The current version of the Italian flag that is used today was adopted in 1946 when the Kingdom of Italy was dissolved and it became a republic. And the current colors have been changed a little in 2006, where the green was changed a little. It's a nice flag.